Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss integration. Number 9, evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 of 80x minus 44x squared minus 12x power 3 divided by 16x minus 12x squared with respect to x. Remember to subscribe and to share the link with friends. The first thing we will do here is to simplify this expression such that we are integrating from 0 to 1. Then what we will have here now is, because of the common x in the numerator, we will have 80 minus 44x minus 12x squared. Then we divide by, again we factor out x, so that we remain with 16 minus 12x. So x now can cancel out. Then we further factorize the numerator because it is quadratic. Now we need a product of a, which is a negative 12, and c, which is 80. So this is negative 960, and a sum of the value at b, which is negative 44. So these factors are going to be negative 6, 0, and positive 44, positive 16, sorry, positive 16. Yeah, when you add 16 to negative 60, we'll get negative 44, and when you multiply the two, we're going to get negative 960. Now we can continue factorizing, whereby we will have 80 plus 16x minus 60x minus 12x squared. Remember, I'm just splitting negative 44 into 16 and negative 60. At this point now, we can have 16 factored out to remain with 5 plus x. Then we'll have a negative 12, again to remain with 5 positive x. So this 12 should be having x, because x is common in these two terms. So we factor out also x. So 12x factored out to remain with 5 plus x. That means we can pick the common factor, which is 5 plus x. Then we have 16 minus 12x. The numerator is now fully factorized. But when we combine it now, we will have 5 plus x, 16 minus 12x, divided by, we will have a 16 again minus 12. This is having x, whereby 16 minus 12x will now cancel out. And what we'll be having here, is the integral now from 0 to 1 of 5 plus x with respect to x. That means now we're going to integrate 5x, whereby, because there is x power 0, now we will have a x becoming power 1 because of the added power. But there is a 5 here, plus x now becomes it's already power 1, so it will become squared, and the 2 divides here, plus a constant of integration, the arbitrary constant, from 0 to 1. So we're going to have 5x plus x squared over 2 plus a constant from 0 to 1. And when we substitute 1, we're going to have 5 into 1 plus 1 squared over 2 plus a constant, then minus, we now substitute 0. So 5 into 0 plus 0 squared over 2 plus a constant. So these can be interpreted too. This is 5 and this is a half. So 5 plus a half plus a constant minus 0 plus a constant. The constant of integration will cancel out because of the minus, and we remain with 5 going to have as the final answer.